To test the Bill.com API integration guide, start by setting up a developer account on the Bill.com website. This will provide you with a unique API key and secret key, which are required for authentication. Next, choose the programming language you will use for integration, such as Python or Java, and install the necessary libraries. The first step in testing the API integration is to authenticate with the Bill.com API using the API key and secret key. You can do this by sending a POST request to the authentication endpoint with your credentials. The response will contain an access token that you will use to authenticate subsequent requests. Once you have authenticated, you can start testing the API endpoints. For example, you can use the Get Vendors endpoint to retrieve a list of vendors, or the Post Bills endpoint to create a new bill. Make sure to replace any placeholders in the API documentation with your actual data. When testing the API, it is essential to handle errors and exceptions properly. You can do this by checking the response status code and parsing any error messages. It is also a good practice to log any errors or exceptions for debugging purposes. To further test the API integration, you can use tools like Postman or curl to send requests and verify the responses. You can also write unit tests to ensure that your integration is working as expected. Best practices for testing the Bill.com API integration include using a sandbox account for testing all API endpoints, and verifying that error handling is working correctly. Additionally, make sure to follow the API documentation and guidelines to avoid any issues with your integration. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a successful Bill.com API integration and start automating your accounting workflows. Remember to always test your integration thoroughly to ensure that it is working as expected and to avoid any issues with your production environment.